Hi, in front of me is RUGGEAR RG655 and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this device. First of all, you need to tap on Settings, then scroll down a bit, click on Apps and Notifications, scroll down again, choose App Permissions and pick one of the options, for example Location. Click on it and select an app. I will go with Calendar, so all I need to do is click on the switcher next to it, and now Calendar gained access to my device location. If you wish to deny it, just click at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!